Stylus Replacement Explained, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we aim to make English learning easy and fun for everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic: stylus replacement. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just curious about how things work, understanding this phrase is key. So, let's break it down together, ensuring you grasp every bit of it. First things first, let's clarify what we mean by stylus. A stylus is a small tool designed to interact with touchscreen devices. It mimics the action of a finger but offers more precision, making it ideal for drawing, writing, or navigating on devices like tablets and smartphones. Now, on to replacement. Replacement refers to the act of taking something out and putting something new in its place. It implies that the original item is either no longer functioning properly, is lost, or perhaps there's a need for an upgrade to a better version. There are several reasons why someone might need to replace their stylus. These include wear and tear. Over time, the tip of the stylus can become worn out from regular use, leading to less accuracy. Damage. The stylus could be dropped or subjected to pressure, resulting in damage that affects its functionality. Upgrades. Newer stylus models may offer improved features or compatibility with the latest devices. Loss. Simply put, styluses are small and easy to misplace. Replacing a stylus involves a few steps, which can vary depending on the device and stylus model. Here's a general guide. 1. Identify the correct stylus model for your device. Compatibility is key. 2. Purchase the replacement from a reputable source to ensure it's genuine and of good quality. 3. If applicable, pair the new stylus with your device. Some styluses require pairing to work correctly, often done through Bluetooth settings. 4. Test the new stylus to make sure it interacts with your device as expected. To prolong the life of your stylus and possibly delay the need for replacement, consider these tips. Store your stylus in a safe place when not in use. Avoid applying excessive pressure while using it. Use only compatible chargers if your stylus is rechargeable. Clean your stylus regularly according to the manufacturer's instructions. We hope this video has shed light on stylus replacement and why it might be necessary. Remember, a well-maintained stylus can greatly enhance your experience with touchscreen devices, making tasks easier and more efficient. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English learning content. See you in the next video.